So here now we will discuss about the potential difference in the circuit. What is the potential difference? Look, we have to go through a very simple way, through very simple or basic matter we have to understand. You all have in your house the tank, the water tank that is on the rooftop, right? And through that tank many pipes has gone in different section, different rooms. Okay, suppose in the kitchen, in the bathroom, in your sink, near to the sink. So these are just the connected of the pipes, and it helps to take the water from that rooftop tank to flow to each and every pipe where it is needed. Now, why should we not keep the water tank on the soil, on the earth? We cannot keep it on just beside of our room or just out of any side of our room. Why not? Because we know that suppose there is a surface, on that surface here is your house and here is the water tank. Okay, here is the water tank and here is your house. Just listen to me clearly. From this water tank, when all the pipes will be connected, so all this pipe will go in a horizontal manner. Got it? So when these pipes are moving in a horizontal manner, then what will happen about the pressure of the water? The water will flow as what you imagine, that the water will flow in a very higher way. Is it? Of course not. The water will not flow through the pipe. Why? Because the pipe is totally horizontally. Got it? So here no pressure will be created by the water from the tank. Got it? So what is the excess water in the tank? That will come out, but not after that what you expect. Okay, so for that purpose we just keep in a bend way. Bend way means, now suppose your house is at that place, at this lower place. Okay, and the tank is on the rooftop. So here it is your rooftop and here it is the your house. Now from here, when pipe will come from this side, look, it is a conical shape, it is an angular shape. Okay, and it is coming from upside to downwards, upwards to downwards. Okay, now you think, what about the pressure of the water when it flow? Yes, of course it has the high pressure. Means with high pressure that you expect, the same pressure will come through the tap. Okay, so you can easily get the water. In the same way, potential difference also works in a circuit. Now you just think of a circuit. Suppose think of a circuit where the wires are connected. Okay, then voltmeter, what you would think, the ammeter, voltmeter, all these parts, those which are needed, all are connected together. Okay, and what is the essential part that helps to produce the electrons? That is the battery or the cell. Okay, so all those cells are connected to the circuit. Now when we will connected the cell along with the battery, along with the entire circuit. Now we can expect for the moving of the electron through the circuits, right? Now suppose here is a circuit, here is a cell. From one portion of the cell, when the electrons will move through or the around part of the circuit, and again it will meet on the another portion or another pole of the cell. Okay, this difference is known as the potential difference. It means the charge that is moving from one portion of the cell and it moves around the circuit and again it meets on the another pole of the cell. This difference is known as the potential difference. Okay, this is the basic part of it. Now this potential difference is its SI unit is volt, because the Alexander Volta has discovered it, or you can say prove it first, so that's why it has come as a volt. Now if we go through the work done, then how the work is done in a circuit when the charge is flowing from one pole to another pole. Okay, one pole to another pole, when the electrons are passing. Got it? This happens about the work, means the work is being completing when the electron is moving from one pole and it moving around the circuits and around the wires and different parts that is needed, and again meet at the another pole. It's known as the work, that is the work is doing. Now I am just showing you imaginary, in an imaginary way, that it is a circuit. Got it? Now such type of circuit can never be happen. Okay, circuits are depended based on the gadgets. If the gadgets is very small, then circuits will be small. If the gadgets are very much bigger, then circuits will automatically bigger. Now you will observe the cell that is used in a small gadgets. Suppose your smart watch, okay, smart wristwatch. There the cell is used that is a very small shape, right? But for the another purpose, suppose the battery, the car, Toto car. Have you seen? Yes, there is also batteries present. Got it? And for running the generator you have already seen. For running generator also a very huge part of the battery is needed, okay, where lots of cells are present parallelly. Got it? So for that purpose also cell is needed. And what is the function of the cell? Cell makes the chemical portion of the inside it in the circuit, and this chemical helps to takes out the electron from it, right? It helps to produce the electron. So based on the circuit, always we used to take the battery or the cell, okay. If the circuit is small, then its potential difference is also small, and automatically the battery will take a very small amount of chemicals into it that will help to produce the electricity, okay. If we think for a large part of the gadgets, then we must have to expect for a large part of the battery, and for that purpose also we have to think that it contains lots of chemical into it, and all those chemicals helps to produce the electrons, and that electrons helps to run the around circuit, okay, make the circuit active. This is the entire descriptive part of it. Now what is the potential difference? Now through for potential difference and the charge, when the potential difference and charge will make the product, means when this will do the work at a time, then work will be done. Means potential difference, this is the potential difference of the battery of the cell, from one pole to another pole charge is moving. So that's why this potential difference and the moving of the charge is working together, that's why work is done. Got it? Now potential difference is denoted as V, and the work that is done, it is known as the what I say, it is known as the W. No, work means W from there, and the charge, it is denoted as Coulomb Q. So from here we can easily write that V into Q equal to W, means potential difference into charge equal to work done. Now from here, if we take out the potential difference only, so equation will come as like this: potential difference V equal to work done by Coulomb, that is needed, okay. So this is the entire value or the entire formula for taking out the potential difference. Got it? Potential difference is none other than the difference where I am just showing you the single cell where the charge is producing from one portion and it is moving the around part of the cell circuit and meet at the another portion, okay. This difference is known as the potential difference. Understand? Hope you have guys understand, okay. That's all.